Introduction to React Frameworks. So introduction to React and its ecosystem. So hey everyone, today we're gonna look into React and its ecosystem. So React is a JavaScript library developed by Facebook for building user interfaces. You may already know React is known for its component-based architecture. It makes really efficient and flexible, complex web application, while React itself provides the building blocks for UI components. Its ecosystem is rich with frameworks that extends React's capabilities, offering solutions for common web development challenges like routing, state management, and server-side rendering. So our focus for this lecture will be on understanding these frameworks and how they can accelerate your React development process, providing you with the tools needed to build robust, scalable, and maintainable web applications. Prerequisites for React development. It is important to discuss the prerequisites. So in order to develop in React, you need to have Node.js installed, and Node.js is an open source cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment that executes JavaScript code outside a web browser. The reason why Node.js is essential for React development is because Node.js powers the NPM, which is Node Package Manager. So it allows users to manage project dependencies and run scripts necessary for development, such as starting a development server, building an app, or running tests. Installing Node.js is straightforward, and it's important to note that while Node.js is essential for development, the production environment might differ based on project's architecture and deployment needs. Next.js, the React framework for production. So let's start with Next.js. It is currently one of the most popular React frameworks. It's designed for production. So Next.js offers a best-in-class developer experience while catering to the needs of modern web applications, such as static site generation, server-side rendering, and API routes. So you can create new Next.js project, which is as simple as running the command npx create next app at latest. And this sets up a starter project that's fully configured with the best practices for development and production environment. So Next.js is not just about the front end, but also allows you to write API endpoints as Node.js functions. So this opens up a world of possibilities for full stack development. Its support for static site generation and server-side rendering makes it a versatile choice for projects ranging from blogs and marketing websites to large-scale enterprise applications. Remix, a fresh take on full-stack React. I'll say Remix is a relatively new player in the React framework arena, but it has quickly gained popularity for its innovative approach to building React applications. It's designed with a focus on nested routing and data loading, allowing developers to construct apps with deeply nested UIs and data dependencies. In order to start a Remix project, you can use the command npx create remix. And what this command does is it scaffolds a new project, sets you up with the structure and tools needed to build a dynamic, data-driven application. So one of the key features of Remix is its emphasis on web fundamentals, uh, brings back the resilience and efficiency of traditional web navigation and data management, but with the modern capabilities of React. So whether you're building an interactive dashboard or a content-rich website, Remix provides the tools to deliver a fast, smooth user experience. Gatsby, building high-performance websites with React. So Gatsby is another framework in the React ecosystem. It's known for its performance and developer experience. It has a strong focus for static sites, such as portfolios, blogs, and marketing websites. But it's also capable of powering more complex applications with dynamic data. So starting a Gatsby project is as easy as running npx create Gatsby, and this command creates a new Gatsby site with a clean default setup, allowing you to start developing right away. Gatsby's strength lies in its plugin ecosystem and its data layer, especially this data layer powered by GraphQL. And this combination allows you to pull data from virtually anywhere, like uh, Markdown files, CMSs, APIs, and render it into fast, optimized static pages. Gatsby sites are known for their speed, SEO friendliness, and scalability, so making them an excellent choice for content-driven project. Expo, the gateway to universal React apps. So we've been talking about web framework. Let's shift our focus to mobile development. Um, Expo is a framework that enables developers to build universal React applications that run on Android, iOS, and also the web from a single code base. So the reason why it's possible is because it abstracts away much of the complexity involved in native development. So provides a smooth development experience. In order to start with Expo, you'll need to use the command npx create expo app, and this command will scaffold a new Expo project, including everything you need to begin building a cross-platform React Native app. Uh, Expo's SDK offers a wide array of APIs and components that cover most requirements of mobile apps, from camera access and location services to push notification. So with Expo, you can develop your app and see changes in real time on your devices or simulators. And when you're ready, what Expo does is Expo can package your app for distribution on the App Store and Google Play. Can you use React without a framework? That is a common question among newcomers to React, is whether it's necessary to use a framework at all. To give you the short answer, it's no. You don't have to. React itself is React itself can be used to build applications without any additional frameworks. But I want to say that Although it is possible to use React without frameworks, frameworks provide a structured approach to building applications, solving common problems, and adhering to best practices. So they offer a foundation that uh, helps you and the team to accelerate development, particularly for complex or large-scale projects. For those interested in exploring React's capability without a framework, you can try using Create React App. Create React App is a great way to get a feel for React's fundamentals. Once you try that, you can gradually introduce additional tools and libraries as needed. So you're tailoring the stack to your project's specific requirements. React development, advanced features, and frameworks. So React is still getting its upgrade and to its library and its ecosystem. Uh, a significant area of focus is the integration of advanced features like React Server components. Uh, React Server components aim to improve performance and developer experience by combining server-side and client-side rendering. And the React team is collaborating with frameworks like Next.js. So they've been experimenting with new concepts and integrating them into development flow. So as some of these advancements mature, you'll be able to see more of them adopted across the React ecosystem. So it is important if you're working as a front-end engineer to stay informed and adaptable to these changes. Next.js app router, rethinking routing in React. I'll say a recent notable development in the React landscape is the introduction of the Next.js app router. Uh, this Next.js app router is a new routing solution designed to enhance data fetching and page transitions. So this in evolution is to meet the React team's vision for a full stack framework. Just to give you brief information, the app router allows to developers to fetch data in asynchronous components. So it allows you to uh, run on the server or during build time. So what this does is this approach streamlines the process of building interactive data-driven applications. So it makes it easier to manage state and server interactions. So as the app router and other features become more integrated into React frameworks, developers will have access to more tools and patterns for building efficient, user-friendly applications. Conclusion. So in conclusion, we React ecosystem is very diverse and rich. So you will be able to see a range of frameworks and tools to suit different project needs. So from static site generation with Gatsby to full stack development with Next.js and Remix, there is solution for every type of web or mobile application. Um, So as we've seen, frameworks not only provide a structured approach to React development, but also introduce optimizations and best practices that can significantly enhance your productivity and the performance of your application. Uh, so I there are other frameworks and tools that I didn't mention. So I encourage you to explore other frameworks and the frameworks that I mentioned further, and make sure you experiment with their features and consider how they can be applied to your current project or your future projects. Thank you.